my gosh, I'm so hungry, but the vending machine's all the way over there. What am I gonna do?
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Do you want to walk all the way over to that trash can?
No.
Well, I got a surprise for you. Why don't you call on
L.
Mágico! Invisible!
Teleporting. Flying.
Vending.
Machine!
That lives on a boat.
With a tail!
Oh! And has a cape. Oh my gosh. There it is. All my dreams have come true.
So guys, what do you think about this vending machine? It's pretty magical, huh?
It teleports. It has a cape.
It has a tail.
And it lives on a boat. It's saving world hunger $1 at a time.
Let's go ask that guy over there. Hi, mister. What do you think about the magical, teleporting, invisible, flying vending machine that lives on a boat and has a cape and a tail?
It's magical.
Thank you, sir. There it goes. Come on. Oh!
How has this vending machine impacted your life?
It's great.
How is this magic?
Hell no!
We value your opinion.
Miss Jones approves this message 100%.
How has this vending machine impacted your life?
Yeah!
Oh! With a cape. Oh no, and a cape. And has a
Miss Jones approves this